And when they had crossed over, the Lord said to Joshua, "Choose 12 men, one from each tribe, and instruct them so that they may take from the midst of the channel of the Jordan, where the feet of the priests stood still, 12 very hard stones, which you shall station in the place of the camp, where you will pitch your tents this night." And Joshua called 12 men, whom he had chosen from the sons of Israel, one from each tribe. And he said to them, "Go before the ark of the Lord your God into the middle of the Jordan, and let each one carry from there 1 stone on your shoulders, according to the number of the sons of Israel, so that it may be a sign among you. And when your sons will ask you, tomorrow, saying, 'What do these stones mean to you?' you shall respond to them, 'The waters of the Jordan failed before the ark of the covenant of the Lord, when the ark crossed over it.' For this reason, these stones were placed as a monument for the sons of Israel, even forever." Therefore, the sons of Israel did as Joshua instructed them, carrying 12 stones from the midst of the channel of the Jordan, just as the Lord had ordered him, according to the number of the sons of Israel, as far as the place where they made camp, and there they stationed them. Similarly, Joshua positioned another 12 stones in the middle of the channel of the Jordan, where the priests stood who were carrying the Ark of the Covenant, and they are there, even to the present day. Now the priests who were carrying the ark stood in the midst of the Jordan, until everything was accomplished which the Lord had instructed Joshua to speak to the people and which Moses had said to him. And the people hurried, and they passed over. And when they had all crossed, the ark of the Lord also crossed, and the priests advanced before the people. Likewise, the sons of Reuben, and of Gad, and of the 1/2 tribe of Manasseh advanced with weapons before the sons of Israel, just as Moses had instructed them. And 40,000 fighters, by companies and divisions, advanced through the plains and fields of the city of Jericho. In that day, the Lord magnified Joshua in the sight of all Israel, so that they would fear him, just as they had feared Moses while he lived. And he said to him, "Command the priests who are carrying the ark of the covenant to ascend from the Jordan." And he commanded them, saying, "Ascend from the Jordan." And when those who were carrying the ark of the covenant of the Lord had ascended, and they began to step on dry soil, the waters returned to their channel, and they flowed as they usually did before. Now the people ascended from the Jordan on the 10th day of the first month, and they encamped at Gilgal, opposite the eastern portion of the city of Jericho. Likewise, the 12 stones that they had taken up from the channel of the Jordan, Joshua stationed at Gilgal. And he said to the sons of Israel, "When your sons will question their fathers, tomorrow, and they will say to them, 'What do these stones mean to you?' you shall teach them, and you shall say, 'Israel passed over this Jordan, through the dry channel.' For the Lord your God dried up its waters in your sight, until you crossed over. Just as he had done before, at the Red Sea, which he dried up until we crossed over. So may all the peoples of the earth learn of the very powerful hand of the Lord. So may you also fear the Lord your God for all time."